What is up with it, mom? Look at these niggas in the road, bruh. I could've hit
That's
that.
disrespectful as shit. I hate that.
What is up with it, my beautiful family? It's currently early as hell. You know what I'm saying? It's earlier than a virgin busting his first nut. What is up with it, my beautiful family? We are currently on our way to Orlando, bruh. So if you're on Orlando, by the time you see this, we already here. We woke up, we got our food, everything's ready, bro. We ready. This is me and Brooke's first time in Florida, both of our first time. This is like our first vacation type thing, like on our own. So, very excited, and I'm about to go get my bro. I just said on our own, but we about to go pick people up. I'm about to go pick up my bro Helix and my bro Noah.
Without any adult supervision, I guess.
I mean, we adults, what are you talking about? So, let's get it, man. Smash that like button early. This is probably about to be like the little road trip, but I'm gonna be vlogging. Let's get it, man. Bon appetit, Team Jordan, Team Brooke. Yeah, no, it's too damn early for that shit.
I sound like so nervous you were gonna start yelling. Like I was just kind of preparing myself.
I gotta wake your ass up, nigga.
No,
all right, man, let's go get these niggas and let's hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back, look at the arm. No, say no more, no, say.
No more, no more, no more.
No, nigga. No more, no more, no more, no more. You gotta be in it.
Oh, I didn't know you had to do that extra no more.
Oh my gosh. Brooke, learn your role. Play it, play it.
Boy, if you don't shut the fuck up talking to me like that, who do you think you are? It is too damn early. It is, dawn is not even up, okay? Dawn is not up. The sun's not out, so you should shut the fuck up and learn your place.
My bad, sorry. Brooke the only nigga I know that do makeup in the dark. Your shit about to be fucked up, baby.
No, it's not.
If you complete this mission, you the official makeup queen, nigga. If your shit ain't fucked up by the time it's light time outside, we gonna see. And if you ugly, I'm smacking you on my mama. Believe that.
You better not pull up in the car.
Nah.
Yeah, you look like a nasty ass boy.
No, let me talk. And then I took a little nap.
I'm starting to be able to see you. Black ass.
Ooh, my baby got ice.
I got ice and ass. You already know. Had to come get some ice, man. I'm gonna show you all the food we got. We about to eat so bad this week or weekend, whatever you want to call it. Look at all this shit we got, bro. Damn. Oh yeah.
Can't even open that shit.
What you bring in your house?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what?
I mean, y'all have to sleep on the floor, so we thought we'd bring blankets and shit for y'all.
Oh, I'll be straight.
We gotta take all this shit out and put the ice in there. Look at all this shit. We got hella food.
Oh my god, he got Tyson!
Hella food, look.
You said Tyson.
Hey, we about to eat good,
Bitch, that's
nigga.
TGI Friday.
This is Tyson chicken nugget, you asshole.
Bitch.
Eat some more, nigga. Hot pot, yeah. Biscuit, nigga. Damn.
What the fuck is this?
Chicken Alfredo.
Okay. Fuck that shit.
Yeah. Ice, baby. That way. Alright, man.
Mother.
We're about to hit the road. After I put this ice in.
Hey, look. Hold on. As soon as I get inside the room, bro, it's rash, bro. Like, it's rash, bro.
What?
It's rash, bro. I'm sleepy, bro. My stomach needed to settle. I swear to God it.
How did you not know Scott didn't throw it? How did you know Scott threw it?
Because my eye, bro, I wasn't asleep, bro.
You can hear that, bro.
I wasn't asleep, bro. I just needed to settle. let me tell you something.
We going to Florida, nigga.
If you ain't never had a hot dog with mayonnaise, nigga, you're lost, nigga.
Hell no.
That was nasty.
Hell
What
no,
the
nigga.
fuck?
Bruh.
Nah,
If you didn't put ketchup on your cereal, you lost, nigga.
Come here, nigga. Nigga, look at me.
I'm looking at you.
Nah, I'm a silhouette right now. That shit, get this shit. But look, if you don't put Cheerios, if you don't piss in your Cheerios,
Hell no.
you suck ass, nigga.
Hell no, nigga. We are so tired, bro. Tired, nigga.
Wait till we touch down, cuz.
I'm tired, bro. Nah. Brooke had to go use the bathroom, so we stopped at the rest stop real quick. But we still on the way, baby. You in Orlando? Look at that dog taking shit. Look at that old woman trying to get some dick. You want some meat? I'm joking. Ew, nigga. Hell no.
You can't pull up, bro. Hey, bro. You can't pull up. You can't pull up. That way.
Gotta get every drip. Quick pit stop. We had to get something to eat, you know what I'm saying? Bon appetit.
Cheeseburger in my pocket. Call me Mr. Krabs.
I'm gonna smack that shit out your hand. We got like 40 more minutes till we there, so we almost there.
40. I ain't talking OE.
This nigga about to bust his ass. You about to fall? Ah, look at him.
Oh, that's what it's yours.
Only white people sleep by the door. That's why he gonna be sleeping. Except Noah. We finally made it, y'all. I'm about to. What y'all about to do? Sleep. Sleep. Psych. Word. Probably about hit. You wanna hook up the P4?
Hell yeah.
Or some shit. Let's do that. Bon appetit. Yeah, I think we about to die, bruh.
Oh my god, it's so dark.
That's crazy.
You might not be going under home.
Katrina, I think I feel it a little bit rain.
Yeah, bro, it's small right here.
Damn.
Y'all wake up.
Alright, I'll see y'all niggas later.
Alright.